everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Guarda wallet application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your app store and go to the search box and type in Guarda and search. Look for this application from Guarda Co. LDA and tap on the Get button to begin downloading the application. Wait until your application gets downloaded and installed on your device. Soon after the application downloads, tap on the Open button to open the app. Allow necessary permission for the application and then create a new wallet if you don't have a wallet already, or restore your existing wallet by tapping on the Restore option. So that is how you should be able to download Guarda wallet application for your iPhone within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you will never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.